You're not getting low response on your health campaigns. You are just sending them in the wrong place. You post on social media, maybe run ads, but your audience never sees it at the right time. And even if they do, they ignore it. But what if instead your campaign went directly to their WhatsApp with all the details clearly structured, including the personalization, means their name? So that's exactly what I am doing here using Pabbly Chatflow. Instead of hoping that people's noticing my post, I send a WhatsApp broadcast to my 1000 plus contacts by just one click. And the message were fully personalized for each user, means they includes their specific name. Let me show you how. So once you reach the powerful feature of Pabbly Chatflow called broadcast, you just have to click on this plus add broadcast button. Select the broadcast type from here as broadcast campaign. Give your broadcast a name. I enter my broadcast name as health campaign notification. Now next is the most important and interesting part, where you have to select the contact list. So you just have to click on this option and select the list from here. Now I think one question is coming in your mind, that how you can add your contacts inside your Pabbly Chatflow account. So for that you have to go in this contacts feature and go towards this plus add contacts. So here you can add contacts one by one manually, but I refer you to add in bulk by selecting this option. For adding in bulk, you have to create a CSV file that contains all of your contacts. Now what is CSV file? So CSV file is the simplest file format that includes the data in the tabular format, just like a first name, last name and phone number. Like this, you can create a CSV file inside Excel or Google Sheet. I have added all my contacts inside my Google Sheet. After adding it, you have to click on this files option and download it in a CSV format. Until the file gets downloaded, I want you to know that only CSV files are allowed with a 50 MB size limit and maximum of 2 lakhs contacts, means you can add up to 2 lakhs contacts by just one click. So for adding a file, you have to click on this option and click on this add new file. After that, just drag and drop this file here. Next, click on this upload file and then select it from here and click on this insert button. After that, you just have to click on this plus add contacts, and this is how easily you can add bulk contacts inside your Pabbly Chatflow account. You can also create a list of your contacts by clicking on this plus option. I have already created one by the name of new list. If you like this tool till now, then go and purchase Pabbly tool by using my coupon code MEHYT and get an exclusive discount on both yearly and lifetime Pabbly plans. And not only the WhatsApp broadcast, with the help of the single tool, you can create a WhatsApp chatbots, AI assistant and many more. So grab it as soon as possible. Moving forward is the refine audience option. It is an optional. So if you want to exclude the contacts you don't want to receive the broadcast, then you can select its list from here. And if you want to exclude the specific contact, then you can select that contact from here. After that, you can enable this toggle if you want to skip the contacts who messaged you within the last 24 hours, so they don't receive the broadcast again. Moving forward, you have to select the message type. It will provide you two options, name as pre-approved template message and regular message. You can also enter a regular message by selecting this option. Select the message type from here and enter the message in this content, but I refer you to select the message type as pre-approved template message because templates are approved by Meta and it follows all the WhatsApp guidelines. For selecting it, you have to click on the select WhatsApp template button and select it from here. See, this is the template that I want to send, and in this body name field I am entering the dollar symbol with one variable name. With the help of this, automatically the user's name will come. In few minutes you will understand this more clearly. After that, I am clicking on this done button. See, the template is successfully created. Now for creating this template, you have to click on this templates feature. See, this is the page where you can create multiple types of WhatsApp templates for your different type of businesses. It is a predefined messages that were used for easy access and scale communication. For creating a new template, you have to click on this plus add template button. We have already created a separate detailed video of how you can create a template inside your Pabbly Chatflow account. Check the description below for the video link. I already created some templates before, and this is the health campaign notification template that we are going to use in this video. I have entered this content by my choice, but you can customize it completely based on your own business. Now we will go back to our flow. After selecting the template, I am entering the username as a test user. After that, I am entering my number in this field. See, after entering my number, I am clicking on the send test message button and it says that test broadcast sent. Now I am going to show you my WhatsApp account. See, automatically I received a new message that includes my name as a test user and all the details about the upcoming health camp. And it is visible that automatically at the place of the variable that I have set set it here as dollar symbol name, the username will come. And so in real time it works like this. As we have received the message, this means that till now our broadcast setup is working perfectly. Moving forward, you have to schedule the broadcast. You can send them instantly by selecting this option as well as schedule it for later. I am scheduling it for later, so I am selecting this option. After that, I am selecting the date as 1st of May at 7:25 p.m. See, on 1st of May 2026 at 7:25 p.m. this broadcast message is going to be sent to all of my 48 contacts, means all these users. After that, I am clicking on this plus add broadcast button, and you will see it says that broadcast created successfully and is going to be appear here too. You can also view the stats of your broadcast by clicking on this view stats button and export the report from here. Here you will see the status of send, delivered, read, pending and ignore, and you can also resend the broadcast to the failed contacts too. So if your campaigns are being ignored, it's not because people are not interested, it's because you are not reaching them the right way. Start using WhatsApp broadcast the right way and you will see the difference instantly. If you like this tool and you also want to create the same broadcast, then go and purchase Pabbly tool by using my coupon code MEHYT and get an exclusive discount on both yearly and lifetime Pabbly plans. Because at the end of the day, it's not about sending more campaigns, it's about making sure they are actually seen. So this is all for today. I'll see you in the next video. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubts, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow #pricing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.